Hey, would you like to leave your 9 to 5? CC Chaney here, and today that's what we're talking about. I'm sharing 3 simple steps to help you walk away from that 9 to 5. So it's a funny story, actually. Just a few days ago, my husband and I were celebrating our move anniversary. What is that? Well, 6 years ago, we made a massive decision to leave our lives behind. I quit my job, we sold our house, and we moved abroad. We are literally in Colombia right now. I'm looking at the Andes Mountains as we speak. So as I was sort of reminiscing about this massive goal that we were able to achieve, I got to thinking, well, if I had to do it all over again, how would I do it? And if, one of my viewers like you were watching and they wanted to leave their 9 to 5 like I did, what advice would I give them? And so that's what we're talking about today. So the first step that we have is really simple, and that is develop an entrepreneur's mindset. Now, I know you might be thinking, okay, that's not really practical. I was hoping you would give me different kinds of steps. This is actually one of the most important things that you can do before you get started, because I'm going to be honest with you, being in business is work. And it's different than what you're used to, right? When you go to a regular job and you've got sort of an employee's mindset, you're used to checking in at a certain time, clocking out at a certain time, getting paid a very specific amount of money for a certain amount of hours. And business just doesn't work like that. So it's really important that you get your mindset right, that you make the decision that this is what you're going to do, and you get your entrepreneur's mindset so that you are ready to attack business so that you can be successful and leave that 9 to 5. Okay, step number 2 is research, right? This is so important, and I think it's probably something that's often missed, right? Before you jump into an online business, find out what you want to do, right? Be really clear. Now, I love affiliate marketing. This is what I talk about most with the people who follow me. And I think it's one of the easiest ways for people to get started in online business. But maybe you have a heart for something else, right? Whatever that thing is, research and figure out how you can be successful. Who are the gurus in that space that can teach you and help you get to that goal faster, right? Do your research and make the decision on exactly what type of business that you're going to want to run, okay? This is important because I'm going to be honest with you. When I first got started in online business, I was actually starting in affiliate marketing. I didn't know what it was. I kind of fell into a funnel. And my first sale online ever to a stranger was actually me selling an affiliate product. But I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't know why I was doing it, and I was trying to do something different, and I had no idea. I mean, it was very confusing because I didn't do the research ahead of time. And so I ended up trying out several business opportunities over these last 6 years or so. And now here I am full circle making affiliate commissions again, right? But now I know what I'm doing, I know why I'm doing it, and I'm actually being mentored by someone who does a really good job at it. Actually, if you're interested in affiliate marketing, I'll go ahead and drop a link below for the program that I think just makes the most sense for beginners. I'll drop that below in the description. Go ahead and check that out. Now, the final step, which is incredibly important, is to build that business, to implement that plan that you just researched while you're still working. Right? And I know that's not what you want to hear. You want to hear, I want to leave today, CC. And hey, if you have the financial ability to do that, I say go for it. I was really lucky that we had the financial capability to just go ahead and leave before I figured the business stuff out. But if you're thinking about leaving and you know that if you leave today, you'll be stressed out about how you're going to pay for rent and how you're going to pay for food, those things will get in the way of you being successful in business, because those are your basic needs, right? Like, if you may or may not know this about me, in a former life, I was a social worker, and you kind of learn about Maslow's hierarchy of needs, right? One of the most basic needs are things like food and shelter. If you're stressed about food and shelter, you're not going to be worried about self-actualization. You're not going to be worried about creating a business. So you want to make sure that you're implementing that plan while you're at your current job. So my advice to you is start today. Go ahead and click on that link in the description below and get started with your affiliate marketing business now. And then we can celebrate together when you make it out of that 9 to 5. All right, that's all I have for you today. Check out that link. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and subscribe to this channel for more tips to help you make your first dollar online. Ciao.